my name is Emily Campbell. I'm the principal at Heartland Elementary. Welcome to our 23-24 school open house. This is our 15th year of Heartland being open, and we're just really excited to have our students and their families back, and we look forward to seeing everybody next week. You'll see some of our vendors as well as some of our classrooms as you go throughout our building this afternoon. So have a great evening, and thank you for being here.
I'm Devin Oligus here at Heartland Elementary School. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and tonight is open house. I'm most looking forward to all the fun events we get to do with all of the students here at Heartland Elementary School.